A lot of people will tell you to be consistent on YouTube. Keep posting. Post your video. No matter what, just keep posting your video. Be consistent. Post always. I have done that for many years. I posted consistently. I posted even when I know I don't supposed to post. I post consistently. But consistently lets me know where until I find one strategy that helped me. Today, I'm going to show you that strategy that helped me grow on YouTube. I have a YouTube that I just monetized. Today, I'm going to show you the wrong things we have been doing on YouTube that the big YouTubers will not tell you. They will always tell you to be consistent, post your video, just be posting, just show up, just do this, just do that. No, they're not telling you the real thing that has been delaying, that has been slowing down your growth on YouTube. Now, today I'm going to tell you the way that we have been uploading our video. We have been uploading with the plus sign here. That is the sign we have been using. Me, I have been using that plus sign for years to upload my video. Yes, I use it every time because once you create your content, after creating that beautiful content, you just want to let it go. You just want people to see it. You just want people to know about it. You just want to send it anyhow without even minding the consequence of that video. I made 2 videos. I sent the one with the plus sign that you see here, and I sent one direct from YouTube Studio. I saw different. There was a lot of difference between the one I sent from YouTube Studio and the one I sent with plus sign. Do you know one? I'll give you reason why that happened. Welcome to Shavera Voice, where we speak, where we tell you the real truth, the truth about YouTube. Yes, if you find this video so helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell, comment, like, share this good news to people that may want it. Let's dive into it. Now, we send videos every day using plus sign on the YouTube. Yes, we use it, we upload the video goes direct, we just send it and the thing go. No, that is the wrong way. Stop posting that way. It's not right. It's not okay. The right way to upload your video is to go through YouTube Studio. Now, I'll give you reason why that is the right place. There are some settings you can set through YouTube Studio that you cannot set with this plus sign out here. Then the YouTube Studio, now when we talk about the card, the end screen, those ones are the things that you add that help your videos, your existing video and the ones that you have created before. It helps them to grow. Yes, this help you to gather some watch hours. When people watch your video, after watching it, one appear up, and that shows that okay, this person has another video, the person want to click on it and watch it. If you are the one that looking for watch hour, you also get some watch hour from these videos. Now, that is not the only reason, and that is not the main reason why I come here. Guys, see, I have been on YouTube for about 2 years now. I've been on YouTube about these 2 years, and I've been very, very consistent posting on YouTube. I'm consistent that I post video and short every day. So I find out that those things were not really helping my channel. It was killing my channel. Yes, it was killing my channel because I was just posting without strategy. I was just posting without minding or without looking at the art side of YouTube, the science side of YouTube, and the game side of YouTube. Yes, I'm going to make video concerning the art and game and science of YouTube that people don't know. Yes, YouTube is a game. If you can play the game very well, oh my God, you will skyrocket your channel to a greater height. Now, when you upload your video from the YouTube Studio, as the video is uploading, you will see there is a place they put link. After that place they put link, there is file name, the file name of that video. That file name is meant to change and add your own title, this title that you use on that video. You have to have your own title that you place on that video. That title is what people see when people, because YouTube is a search engine. When people search, that keyword, that thing, that word you use there will appear on what people are searching for. Now, if your video did not have that, how would they locate you? Now, if you don't change the file name and leave it as the titled name, it may negatively affect your video. Yes, it affects your video's performance. YouTube rely on your title to understand your video and to know who to send your video to. Now, when your video appear with a weird title or untitled, so how will YouTube know who to send the video to? Definitely the video will not be recommended to people, and anybody that comes across such video will see that video as real, that the video did not have title or thumbnail. They will not want to click on that video. If your video have no title, it makes the work look unprofessional. People will not want to click on an unprofessional work. Definitely, even if people click it, once they click it, they're going to click out of that video because the video look unprofessional. They will not want to continue watching that video because it look. One of the reasons why people watch your video is based on your title and thumbnail. Now, if you have a very catchy and good title on your video, definitely people are going to click on your video and they are going to watch it. Now, if you have also a very good thumbnail on your video, people are going to click on that video to know what is inside that video. So that is the reason why you have to remove that file name and put the title that you want people to say when you upload that video. This is very, very important. This is things that they will not tell you about it. Big YouTubers will not let you know about it. They will just tell you to post consistently. You keep posting consistently. At the end of the day, you come home with nothing. So listen to the end of this video. You will know how this thing is affecting your video, how it's hurting your click-through rate, and how it's also hurting your videos. A generic or fine name title will not catch people's attention to watch your video, leading to a lower click rate because people will start flipping away from your video. When they click, they want to click out of the video, which will bring about lower click rate, which may hurt your channel. Algorithm signal. YouTube uses engagement, click and watch time to promote your videos. Boring or unclear title get few click, which signal to algorithm that the video is not interesting even when you know your content is good. Yes, you have to understand that your title and your thumbnail speak volume about your video more than the video inside. If you have the best video in the world, if your title and thumbnail is not enticing, it does not spark curiosity, I tell you, people will not want to click. And when people did not click on that video, they will not know what you have inside there. You end up sending videos, working on videos, cracking your brains, sending videos, strategizing, and nobody is watching. So these are the things we neglect. Why is the key point why we are on YouTube? Yes, if you are on YouTube and you are sending your videos, you are not getting viewers. It's so frustrating. So the best thing to do is to stop posting consistently and post strategically. Look for a way, know what is happening on the YouTube. Study very well concerning the niche you are into. Study how to upload your videos. Study how to do some things. Then keep posting, keep sending, keep uploading, and at the end of the day, you come home with nothing. Yes, if you find any value to this video, I know this video will be helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and also share this channel to people so that they will get this good news as you receive it. In any niche you are, as I said before, please, if you have any issue with your channel, please, you can send us message on our on the comment section. We will go through your page, also help you solve those issues that is disturbing you. See you in my next video. Stay strong.